All right, so here I am in my DiMAAC website, which is a UI library. Now, if you guys haven't seen the video that I put out 2 weeks ago, I think. So when I showed you guys that I basically released a new UI library, which has like cool components which you can just copy paste and start using. Now the components are for React or Next.js applications. So this is the main site. Now when I click on explore now, I get taken to the subdomain uidmac.com. Links to both of these will be in the description so you guys can check these out. Now this morning I released 4 new components. One of them is sort of similar to how we have the swipeable cards, which I showed you guys 2 weeks back. I'll still be showing you the post swiper what this is. So it's sort of similar to that, which I'll be showing at the last. But then the 3 main ones that I released this morning is Instagram card, Twitter card, and then a Facebook card. As the name says, these are the cards that are basically used in these social media platforms. So let's start with the Instagram card. So when I open the Instagram card, as you can see, we see 3 different Instagram posts. Now, the way this component works is you can render an image if you want. You can also render your custom JSX as well. So the first one is an image, the last one is an image, but then the one at the center or at the middle is a custom rendered JSX. So now, as you can see, I can copy the text. Everything is built using JSX. So if you have anything that you want to render as a JSX, or if you have any cool stuff that you want to render inside of this post, maybe you can have a button which on click you do something crazy, you can also do that. So and then also we have these buttons. So this one is the like button, which on click, same animation as how the like has in Twitter, I mean on Instagram. We have the comment, share, and then bookmark, same as how the Instagram has. But the thing is, when you like or when you bookmark, it doesn't really do anything because everything is currently local. So if you want to have the actual functionality, I mean, you'd obviously have to do it yourself. But yeah, apart from that, this is what the component is. I'll just show you the demo code. So here, the first one, which is just the basic image, which is this. You have the image, you have the profile image of the user. Um, if it is verified or not, you just have true or false. And then you have the username, you have the timestamp of what time this was released. And then you have custom CSS class for the post, which is this image. If you want to add some custom style for the images. So this is the first one. The second one is basically the custom one when everything above is same, but instead of just having this image, we have custom post when we're rendering our custom JSX, which is HTML, and then some tailwind. And then same for the last one, which is an image post. There's that. So yeah, this is for the Instagram card. Rest of the cards are sort of similar. So let's just open up the Twitter one. So here we have the Twitter, wherein here, as you can see, we're using a slider or carousel sort of. So this is the post swiper, which I'll show you in a bit. So this is a image. Now, just like that, we have these um, comments, reposts, like, views. If you want to bookmark, on bookmark. If you want to share, you can share it. So it has also caption in an image. And if you don't want to have an image, if you want a custom post, you can have all these text. You can also have a custom render, sort of like an image that we had for the Instagram. So sort of like that, if you want to build, you can also do that. So this is the Twitter one. Then just like this, we have the Facebook, which is exactly same. You can like, you can share, you can comment. That's basically it. And yeah, so this is the custom one. This is the image. You can add text if you want, or yeah, you can do whatever you want basically. So this is the Facebook card. Now, talking about this post swiper, there's nothing crazy about this. The only thing is you can basically add in here different social media cards. So let's just say you have reviews on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So what you can do is you can add the different cards or different social media cards here. So this is basically the Twitter one. This is Facebook. This is again Twitter, this is Facebook, this is Instagram, stuff like that. So these are the 4 components that are released this morning. Hope you guys like it. Use it as you want. Make sure to comment down after you've used it how you felt. Was it good? Was it bad? Just comment down. And also, as I've said before as well, so this is like in the totally beginner stage. It has a lot of bugs and issues. And if you find one, do make sure to mail me or comment down under any of my videos. I'll try to fix it. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. Nothing too fancy. If you guys want to learn how to build this from scratch, make sure to comment down. Obviously you have the source code, so I don't think this is like too complicated. Should be fairly easy. Now if you want to download it, or I mean install it using CLI, we also have the CLI available. And here, I mean, if you scroll down, you can get the component, you can copy paste it. And yeah, so that's basically it for this video. Meet you guys in the next. Till then, bye bye, take care, and peace.